morning, children. Welcome to biology class. Today we are going to start chapter 19, excretory products and their elimination. So children, what is excretion? So it is the process by which living organisms get rid of their metabolic waste products like ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water, excess of salts and pigments and undigested food as a feces. Now, these substances are toxic in nature, and if they retain in the body, they cause some harm to the body. So, the process by which these waste products are removed from the body is called excretion, and the organs they are called excretory organs. And the excreted substance, they are known as excretory products or the waste products. Now these excretory organs, they also help in maintaining proper concentration of inorganic ions and right amount of water in the body. So what is the nature of excretory products? Now the main metabolic byproducts of various anabolic and catabolic processes in animals are the volatile and the non-volatile substances. So volatile substances are those like various types of foodstuffs like carbon dioxide and water. They are volatile waste. In lower animals, carbon dioxide is eliminated directly into the environment through the general body surface. In higher animals, these are excreted with the exhaled air through the lungs. Now, water is also volatile, but only a small part of it is eliminated as vapor from respiratory surface and from skin as sweat. Non-volatile products are those which are removed from the body in aqueous solution like ammonia, urea, uric acid and ions like phosphates, sulfates, chlorides, sodium and potassium. So, come to nitrogenous and non-nitrogenous waste. Now, the metabolic waste which contain nitrogen, they are called nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea and uric acid. And the other nitrogenous waste like trimethylamine, quinine, ornithinic acid and hippuric acid. Now, usually spiders and mammals, they excrete purine, adenine and guanine. Non-nitrogenous waste do not contain nitrogen like carbon dioxide, mineral ions, vitamins, drugs, pigments, hormones, spices, water. Now, kidney also maintain the proper water and salt balance in our body, and this is known as osmoregulation. Now come to modes of excretion. So depending on the nature of nitrogenous compound being excreted, the excretion, they may be of different types. The ammonitism. So when the ammonia is excreted from the body, it is called ammonitism, and the animals excreting ammonia are called ammonitelic. Now ammonia is produced by oxidative deamination of excess of amino acids. In vertebrates, the process occurs in hepatic cells of liver. It is highly soluble in water and is highly toxic in nature. It cannot be retained in the body, so it should be eliminated as soon as it is formed. So ammonia is excreted in solution form and in dilute concentration, and large amount of water is required for dissolving the ammonia, about 300 to 500 milliliter of water for excretion. So simple freshwater animals, they excrete ammonia. Now ureotelic or the ureotelism, the elimination of nitrogenous waste like urea, it is called ammonitism, and the organisms, they are known as ureotelic organisms. Now ureotelic animals, they synthesize urea in liver cells for detoxification of ammonia through ornithine cycle or the urea cycle. It is also called as Krebs-Henseleit cycle after the name of its discoverer. Now, two molecules of ammonia, it combines with carbon dioxide and it gives one molecule of urea and water. Now, this urea, it is less soluble than ammonia and it requires around 50 milliliter of water for dissolving. Now, urotelic animals like amphibians, terrestrial animals like mammals, cartilaginous fishes, reptiles, they are all urotelic. Now, uricotelism. Now, the nitrogenous waste like uric acid, they are termed as uricotelism, and the animals known as uricotelic. Now, this uric acid, it is excreted in the form of crystals, and it is produced from ammonia and purines, and it is mainly synthesized in liver and a small amount in kidney. Now, this uric acid, it is least soluble in water, so it requires only 10 ml of water for its to dissolve. Now, it is least toxic also. Now, it crystallizes out of solution and it is excreted as a solid waste along with the feces. Now, urine is not formed in these animals. Aminotelism, the excretion of amino acids without metabolizing them is called aminotelism. Certain mollusks and echinoderms, they are aminotelic. Duotelism, so the nitrogenous waste which is excreted is dunine. Scorpions, spiders, some lizards and birds are duonotelic animals. Now, homeostasis, osmoregulation and excretion. So, homeostasis is the process that maintains stability of the body's internal environment in response to changes in external conditions. Osmoregulation, it is a process that regulates the body's salt and water content and maintains the body fluids in a steady state. Osmolarity, it is the total solute concentration expressed as moles of solute per liter of solution. So, isotonic, hypotonic and hypotonic solutions. Now, when two solutions they have the same osmolarity, they are termed as isotonic. When two solutions they differ in osmolarity, the solution with higher concentration of solute is termed as hypertonic, and the other with lower concentration of solute they are termed as hypertonic. Osmoregulators. Now, in these organisms, osmolarity of body fluids it is maintained constant and different from the osmolarity of surrounding water. Osmoconforms. Now, in these animals, osmolarity of body fluids fluctuates with the change in the osmolarity of surrounding water. So, osmoconformers, they are marine vertebrates, freshwater invertebrates, and only one vertebrate, that the hagfish. So, organs of excretion we'll learn in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.